Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 12, 2024. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified TQQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.05. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 3.26%. This means that, on average, it has provided a daily return of 0.65% since being flagged as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 49.53% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 37.73% to 62.66%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 95.13% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 40.72% to 104.16%. This suggests a price range of $70.84 to $102.77 after 12 months. Our latest update on TQQQ brings a positive headline: Green Day for TQQQ on Friday. On the last trading day, Friday, January 12, 2024, the TQQQ ETF price increased by 0.119%, climbing from $50.28 to $50.34. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains. It's quite uncommon for ETFs to experience such a consistent upward trend, so it's reasonable to anticipate a small decline in the coming days. Throughout the day, the ETF's price fluctuated by 2.29%, reaching a low of $49.84 and a high of $50.98. Although the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains down by -2.08% for this period. Trading volume decreased by 31 million shares on the last day, with a total of 64 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.20 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume alongside higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $52.01, while the lowest price was $18.58. Currently, the price is 3.21% or $1.67 below the 52-week high, and it stands at 73.63% or $140.54 below the all-time high on January 8, 2021, when it reached $190.88. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for TQQQ, an ETF in the stock market. As of now, there are mixed signals for this ETF. A sell signal was issued on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, causing a 2.33% decrease in its value. The forecast suggests it may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is also a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it's important to note that the TQQQ ETF has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Furthermore, the relation between these two signals supports a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a correction and falls, it may find support at the levels of $48.61 and $47.35. It's crucial to pay attention to any breakdown below these levels, as it would issue sell signals. Interestingly, despite the recent price gains, the volume of trading has decreased. This divergence between volume and price could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's wise to closely monitor the TQQQ ETF. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator generated a sell signal 12 days ago. The Bollinger indicator gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 46 days ago. Now, if we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a buy signal 44 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 34 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's start with the downside. TQQQ, the ETF, has support levels just below today's level at $44.40 and $44.24. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, TQQQ finds support just below today's level at $44.40. And if that level is broken, the next support levels from accumulated volume will be at $44.24 and $38.22. Moving on to the risk involved, this ETF has average movements during the day in good trading volume, making the risk considered to be medium. Looking at the last day, the ETF moved $1.14 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.29%. And over the course of the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 4.03%. Today, let's delve into some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for TQQQ, which sits at $50.35. If you're not already holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. However, if you're already invested in the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the flip side, if TQQQ experiences a downward movement, it encounters its first support level at $44.40. Should this support level hold, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the future. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is $48.38, which represents a decrease of 3.9%. This ETF experiences moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 11 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it seems that TQQQ ETF could present a buying opportunity. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the previous trading day suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, January 16th, we anticipate TQQQ to open up by $0.0467 and start trading at $50.39. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. What target price do you have in mind for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Regards, the Stock Invest team.